Mama's cleaning up puppy food mess. Puppies are all playing. They love this little cat house thing I found for them. They're rolling each other around in it. You're all 5 weeks old. Hi, baby Blaze. What? What? What are you growling at? Huh? What are you growling at? That was Minnie. What you growling at, Minnie? Fresh puppy. One was growling at himself because he was stuck in the box. Carl. There's Gus and Mira playing with the box. No. Hi, puppies. Then we got Blaze, and I believe Albert up front. Albert, and there goes little Carl. Rerun. Minnie. And there we got Puzzle, and Gus, and Mira.